Hello guys, welcome back to Zek the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to easily take a scrolling screenshot on your phone. So in order to do this, it's very simple and easy to do. So all you need to do is, first of all, just get what you want to screenshot. For example, I want to take a screenshot of this. All you need to do is scroll down. Either you use your screenshots from here, you saw that right there, and you're going to see all this right here. You click on this and you're going to see this claw right here. Click on that again and it's going to scroll again. Or you can just simply use your quick menu and just click on screenshot. Say the same. Click on scroll, and it's going to keep scrolling for as much as you want. So once you're done, just go to your gallery and you're going to see how it did. Very simple and easy to do. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and please subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.